Good morning, children. Look at here. Santa Claus come to meet us. We will learn today our chapter 7, addition of two-digit numbers. Children, Santa Claus brings so many gifts for us. There are 34 gifts in his red bag and 21 gifts in his green bag. We will find how many gifts are there in all. Children, for that we will arrange them in tens and ones columns. For 34, 3 tens and 4 ones. For 21, 2 tens and 1 ones. Now let's put them in columns. 1 ones below 4 ones and 2 tens below 3 tens. We will count first ones and then we will count tens. 4 ones and 1 ones is equal to 5 ones. 3 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 5 tens. 5 ones we will write in ones column and 5 tens we will write in tens column. So we have 55 in all. We can say there are 55 gifts in all. Now children, let's count it in numbers. We will put that numbers in tens and ones column. 34 plus 21. In ones column and tens column. Now first we will count ones column. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now we will count tens. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and we will write it in tens column. So in total we have 55. So children, we can say 34 plus 21 is equal to 55. Santa Claus has 55 gifts in all. Now children, open page number 92 in your maths textbook and let's start reading and understand it more clearly. We have learned to add one-digit numbers. Remember na children, we had already learned one-digit number addition and subtraction. Let us now learn to add two-digit numbers. We follow these steps. We had already seen that what we will do first. We will write numbers in column form. Ones and tens place value column. We will write that numbers. Then write the numbers in expanded form. Ones and tens. Add ones and then add tens. Now let us add 62 and 23. For that we will write 62 and 23 in tens and ones place. So for 62, 6 tens plus 2 ones, and for 23, 2 tens plus 3 ones. First we will count ones and then we will count tens. 2 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. 6 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 8 tens. So, we can say 8 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 85. Let's see another example. Add 24 and 43. For that, we will write it first in tens and ones column. 24 plus 43. For 24, 2 tens plus 4 ones. For 43, 4 tens plus 3 ones. First, we will count ones. 4 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 7 ones. 2 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 6 tens. 6 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 67. Now, let's count on page number 93. Add the following. 18 plus 21. For 18, we will write, children, 1 tens plus 8 ones. And for 21, we will write 2 tens plus 1 ones. Children, don't forget, first we will count ones. 8 ones plus 1 ones is equal to, remember now, when we add 1 to any number, we get the next number. 8 ones plus 1 ones is equal to 9 ones. 1 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 3 tens. So, 3 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 39. Isn't it easy, children? Yes. Now, next. 34 plus 25. For 34, 3 tens plus 4 ones. For 25, we will write 2 tens plus 5 ones. Again, we will count ones first and then we will count tens. So, 4 ones plus 5 ones. After 4, we will add 5. So, we will get 9 ones. 3 tens plus 2 tens. After 3, we will add 2 more and we will get 5 tens. So, 5 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 59. Let's do the next one. 44 plus 33. So, let's write the numbers in expanded form first. For 44, 4 tens plus 4 ones. For 33, 3 tens plus 3 ones. We will count ones first. So, 4 ones plus 3 ones. We will add 3 more in 4 and we will get 7 ones. 4 tens plus 3 tens. In 4, we will add 3 more. After 4, 5, 6, 7. We will get 7 tens. So, 7 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 77. Let's do the last one. 65 plus 24. Let's write them in expanded form first. 65, we will write 6 tens plus 5 ones. 24, 2 tens plus 4 ones. Children, don't forget we will count ones first. 5 ones and 4 ones is equal to 9 ones. And 6 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 8 tens. 8 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 89. Very good, children.